Okay, everybody, in this video, I'm going to walk you through doing exercises 11 through 16 of the vector basics. We're trying this instead of me standing up in front of everybody to see if it works better so you can just kind of play it on your own. So first we'll start with number 11. Okay, so the instructions say use the stroke palette to apply round caps or projected caps to the path on the left. So I'm clicking on the path on the left. Then I'm going back over to my properties panel, which is extremely useful for lots of things. I'm going to click on where it says stroke, and this is the stroke palette that they're talking about here to apply round caps or projected caps to the path on the left. So here, if I hover here, it says round cap, right? And I click on it and I notice here that now I have rounded caps on the end of these, what used to be flat, okay? And then projecting caps are here, so I don't really get like how that's different from the flat caps, but I guess it puts them out a bit further. So that's what they're talking about there. And then use the stroke palette to apply rounded corners or beveled corners to the square path on the right. So I'm going to click on that guy. I'm going to go back to my stroke panel and then corners, right? So I can do rounded corners here or beveled corners, meaning there's an edge kind of taken out of them. See that? Right here, corners are changing. Okay, so let's move on to exercise 12. Okay, this one wants to show us layers, how layers work in Illustrator, which is similar to Photoshop, but a little different. So I'm hitting Command 0 again to center and make my document as big as it can be for my view. So it says use the layer panel to change the stacking order of the vector paths. Use the panel to put the red circle as the top layer. So if I go over here to where it says layers, I can click here, right? And then it looks a little different because they're kind of grouped into different things. But what I want to do is click that. This is called a disclosure triangle. So that's what I want to click to get to show the different elements that make up this thing here, the circles. And it says use the panel to put the red circle as the top layer. So I'm going to put that at the top. And then you can see that it kind of takes over that particular group of circles. And then it says use the layers to put the pink star path into layer 2. So I'm going to put that into layer 2, right? And that brings it up front. Okay, so that's that one. 13 is grouping. So I'm going to open that. Command 0 to center it. So select the three shapes on the left by holding down the shift key or by using a click and drag with the mouse. So I can click on these guys, I can hold down shift and you can see that they're all coming in together, or I can kind of like draw a box around them. And then I want to go up to where it says object, group, and now they're a group, so they move all together, right? And then on the flip side of that, if we grab this thing, which is now grouped together, and we go object, group, ungroup, or it has a little smart control here for ungroup. And now instead of that being just like a robot, it's a bunch of shapes that made up the robot, and we can do whatever we want with them. So that's that exercise. Align. We're going to open this guy up. Command 0 to center it. Okay, so I'm going to go to Window, Align. And then I'm going to highlight the blue squares and use the option vertical align top. So I'm just drawing a little marquee here. And then align top is right there, if you can see that. Right? And now it aligns them all at the top. Highlight the red circles and use the option horizontal. So I'm going to do that. And then horizontal align left, right? Or we could horizontal align right. It's the same thing. So that's what they want us to do there. And then highlight the green star and the green rectangle. Use the horizontal align option. So we'll do that. And then horizontal align, we'll try it to the right this time. So the star goes to the right. Okay. So that's number 14. We got two more. Actually, I'm going to cut the video here. I'm going to let you do the exercises 15 and 16 with the swatches because you're going to create your own colors. Or I'll make another video for that, but that's good for now, okay?